Hi, I am Angelica Ruba, ABS Aquatic Biology student. In this video, I am going to discuss about 10 invertebrate species belonging to 5 different phyla. For phylum Nidaria, I am going to discuss 2 representative species, which is Acropora corymbos and Cassiopeia medusa. The first representative species is Acropora corymbos, so the distinguishing features are the following. Its growth forms are table-like or bushy with flat-topped rounded appearance. The branches are radiate horizontally with short upward growing branchlets. Also, its branches have spaces in between. It has axial corallite and is prominent and tubular. It has radial corallites, which are small, tube-shaped or pocket-like and regularly arranged. Lastly, its color varies from brown, green, blue or pink depending on the symbiotic zooxanthellae and depth. For its taxonomic classification, it belongs to kingdom Animalia, phylum Nidaria, class Anthozoa, order Scleractinia, family Acroporidae, genus Acropora, species Acropora corymbos, English name Corymbos table coral. However, for its local name, it does not have a specific local name in the Philippines. Let's now proceed to the second species, which is Cassiopeia medusa. For its distinguishing features, it has broad flattened bell, giving it a saucer-like appearance. It exhibits radial symmetry. It rests on the seafloor with its bell side down and oral arms facing upward. It harbors photosynthetic algae in its tissues. That's why it faces its oral arms into the sunlight. It releases toxic mucus cloud that contains stinging cells called nematocysts. It has short oral arms with a cauliflower-like look. It is typically bluish, greenish, or brownish in color. For its taxonomic classification, it belongs to kingdom Animalia, phylum Nidaria, class Scyphozoa, order Rhizostomae, family Cassiopeidae, genus Cassiopeia, species Cassiopeia medusa, English name upside-down jellyfish, and its local name is Dichia. Next is phylum Arthropoda. For the first representative species, I am going to discuss Tachypleus tridentatus. It has hard dome-shaped exoskeleton with 3 distinct spines at the rear. Its color ranges from brown to dark green. It has long, pointed, and rigid telson. It has 2 large compound lateral eyes, and it has book gills for respiration. Lastly, it walks using 5 pairs of walking legs, and it swims by rhythmically moving its legs. Now proceed to the second representative species of phylum Arthropoda, which is Thalameta crinata. For its distinguishing features, it has oval and wider than long carapace with 5 distinct spines on each side. Its color varies from greenish to bluish with hints of purple or brown. Its first pair of legs is strong asymmetrical claws, often with spiny ridges. Its second to fourth pair of legs is for walking, and fifth pair is paddle-shaped hind legs, which aids in swimming. This specimen is identified as male. For its taxonomic classification, it belongs to kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Malacostraca, order Decapoda, family Portunidae, genus Thalamita, species Thalamita crinata, English name crenate swimming crab, and local name dawat. For the third phylum, we have phylum Mollusca and 2 representative species, Pernabirides and Gonomorix luhuanus. For the distinguishing features of the first representative species, which is Pernabirides, it has a shell color that is bright green in juveniles that becomes darker with age, but often retains a green margin near the shell edge. Its shell is smooth and elongated and wedge-shaped or oblong and is slightly curved at one end. It can grow up to 16 cm in length but typically ranges from 8 to 10 cm. Its periostracum, or the outer layer, is thin and shiny, which gives the shell a glossy appearance. Its interior is smooth and pale bluish-green to light-colored with nacreous or pearly sheen. Its hinge lacks hinge teeth and has a long ligament along the dorsal margin. For its taxonomic classification, it belongs to kingdom Animalia, phylum Mollusca, class Bivalvia, order Mytilida, family Mytilidae, genus Perna, species Pernaburides, English name green mussel, and local name tahong. The second representative species for phylum Mollusca, we have here Conomorix luhuanus. For its distinguishing features, its shell is typically light orange to pinkish with white blotches or patches resembling a strawberry surface. Its shell is often smooth and glossy with subtle spiral lines. Shell shape is conical and elongated with a pointed spire. Its outer lip is slightly flared. Its aperture is bright orange to deep red, and it possesses a sickle-shaped operculum used for hopping or leaping motion. Its eyes are very noticeable and brightly colored on its stalks. For its taxonomic classification, it belongs to kingdom Animalia, phylum Mollusca, class Gastropoda, order Littorinimorpha, family Strombidae, genus Conomorix, species Conomorix luhuanus, English name strawberry conch, and local name Liswi. For the fourth phylum, we have phylum Echinodermata with 3 representative species, Holotoria scabra, Echinarachnius parma, and Diadema antillarum. Let's talk first about Holotoria scabra. For its distinguishing features, it has a stout cylindrical body with a slightly flattened ventral side. Its body color varies from grayish to brown, sometimes with mottled or speckled pattern. Its ventral side is usually lighter. It has thick, tough body with numerous papillae or the conical projections on the dorsal surface. It feels firm and leathery to touch. Its tube feet is well developed and arranged in rows on the ventral side, which is used for movement and anchoring. For its taxonomic classification, it belongs to kingdom Animalia, phylum Echinodermata, class Holotoridae, order Holotorida, family Holotoridae, genus Holotoria, species Holotoria scabra, English name sandfish, and local name putian. For the second representative species, Echinarachnius parma, it has flat disc-like body. Its color is grayish to purplish brown when alive, and when it dies, it turns into white. It has 5 petal-shaped pattern on aboral side, representing respiratory tube feet. When alive, it has short velvety spines for locomotion and burrowing. On its oral side, it has its mouth on the center of its test. For its taxonomic classification, it belongs to kingdom Animalia, phylum Echinodermata, class Echinoidea, order Clypesteroida, family Echinarachnidae, genus Echinarachnius, species Echinarachnius parma, English name common sand dollar, and it does not have a specific local name. For the third and last representative species of phylum Echinodermata, we have Diadema antillarum. Its most notable feature is its long, thin spines that can reach up to 30 centimeters in length. The spines are typically black or dark brown with white tips. Its test or shell is globular and typically dark purple to black in color. The test is relatively small in comparison to the long spines, giving it a unique appearance. The mouth is located on the ventral side and is equipped with the Aristotele's lantern, a structure used for feeding. For its taxonomic classification, it belongs to kingdom Animalia, Phylum Echinodermata, class Echinoidea, order Diadematoida, family Diadematidae, genus Diadema, species Diadema antillarum, English name long-spined sea urchin, and local name Tayom or Tuyum. For the last phylum, we have Phylum Annelida with one representative species, Lumbricus terrestres. Lumbricus terrestres has a long cylindrical and segmented body. It is reddish-brown or pinkish with moist skin. It has clitellium or the thickened smooth band around its segments used in reproduction. For its taxonomic classification, it belongs to kingdom Animalia, phylum Annelida, class Clitelliata, order Haplotaxida, family Lumbricidae, genus Lumbricus, species Lumbricus terrestres, English name earthworm, and local name bulate. That's all. Thank you for watching.